Water, just the right amount at the right time. Stretching hundreds of feet, this pivot irrigation machine pumps moisture and boosts yields, giving soybeans and corn a drink.
I think irrigation is going to become increasingly important. Management of water, period, is going to be, I think, a major issue going in the future.
UT AgResearch Superintendent Blake Brown says these crops are at a critical time, the reproductive stage. This part of West Tennessee has seen more than enough rain, but it doesn't take long for a plush field to turn brown.
They say here in Tennessee we go from a flood to a drought in 10 days, and that's really true. When it's hot like it is now, mid to high 90s, these crops really start stressing early. And the irrigation, that tends to level out. We say water covers a lot of ills.
The Milan Center is using technology called VRI, or variable rate irrigation. Based on soil types and the lay of the land, here the rate of water application is controlled by changing the speed of the pivot and the position of nozzles around the field.
That allows us to divide the whole area irrigated up into zones, and each zone can get anywhere from 0 to 100% of what our application rate is.
This giant machine is controlled by computer and a cell phone modem, both to monitor the amount of water being sprayed. And yes, you can turn it on and off with your mobile device. Chris Bridges monitors the system, including sensors transmitting data about moisture levels. He says VRI technology tells what part of a field needs irrigation and other parts that can do without.
Absolutely, especially in a research environment, we may have many different crops, many different planting dates under the same pivot. And so having the variable rate irrigation system allows us to manage water more precisely and to water exactly what the crop needs at the time that it's needed.
To grow our food, our crops need nourishment, and sometimes mankind has to provide. When it comes to irrigation, the goal is to use the least amount of water possible, but still get the maximum benefit. This is Charles Denney reporting.